Welcome to my channel. So in last video we will continue right now. So in last video I was stuck
Artlist.io.
in this code. So but here why does not browser, this browser, that Google browser, we can see why does not this paragraph content
Music
not
licensing
changing. So
reimagined.
let's check any mistake is there. Button tag is okay. On click event action inside function calling, okay. Calling this is the inside function variable name KCP, okay. Inside function, so document dot get element ID base none, okay. So when I
Artlist.io.
click this continue change this ID how many times. Oh shit, okay. Here same ID, so in this at a time can't change it at a time if so that's why
Music licensing reimagined.
you can remove this ID tag, so don't take the duplicates, okay. Otherwise the code the confusing this browser, so that's why it's give not proper results. Okay, well, maybe I thought it's now right now work after saving, or let's go for in browser after refresh. So my paragraph content which is there here, which is this paragraph content. When
Artlist.io.
I click means this button will be event action. Click after that this function call this ID based. So this ID based, which is the inner HTML printed this content here.
Music
How
licensing
was
reimagined.
ID based this content replacing, okay. So here paragraph content which is there, I have this content here. So this when I click button, so the content was changed, so now code is working. So that is previously what I had mistakes, so I was taking the duplicate IDs, so don't take. So so this is the ID sector. So
Artlist.io.
sorry, not sector, selector, this is ID selector. So this is the property utilizing for like this way. So we have the class selector like this ID for the utilizing for the
Artlist.io.
making the more styles for this every browser style. So we will discuss in future, okay. First of all, so further that, so I want to go for the explain those things. So already I told you
Music
H1 tag
licensing
we can
reimagined.
use. So here not only H1, so when I H1 H2 tag, so inside anything you can print. So what is the difference? Let's check here header section. Where is another? Why does not working?
Artlist.io.
Oh yes, this font size of the characters, this font of the size of the characters is quite different. Okay, so the H1 tag has the big font size is there, and here so the smaller size than the H1 tag of this H2. So let's go for
Music
next
licensing
difference
reimagined.
of the, no, not copy paste, we want it. So in H3 enter, so automatically. So let's check here. So this is the H3 tag. So I will don't confuse. This is the H1 and this is the H3.
Artlist.io.
Sorry, H2, and this is the H3. So next go for H5, H4. Sorry, capital H4. H4
Music
something I
licensing
can write
reimagined.
and give the name H3, so H4. Uh, next I will go for, I can write H5, so always confused. So H5, okay, I can write H5 some content. So let's check
Artlist.io.
up to 6, up to 6 can write this. So let's check. Go for a
Artlist.io.
browser and after the refresh. So the different font sizes of the different hashtags. Okay, so this H1 tag size this much and H2 tag size this much. So this is the output
Music
inside of the
licensing
body.
reimagined.
Okay, so all whatever we are seeing on this browser, whatever I was highlighted here, this all appearance in this browser. So which is how much type of the code inside the body tag, that much code only we will seen in browser, on the browser. Okay, so you
Artlist.io.
find that first. Okay, first you should observe that things. So after that, what I want to go explaining, so that is the main basic things of this tags. So further I will explain this on some
Music
different type
licensing
of
reimagined.
content specific terms. So what is the use of this title? The title elements specify the title for the HTML content, and the body tag. So it is the body tag element defines the document body, and it means the content for the all visible the content, such kind of the this like images and hyperlink tables, list of the heading
Artlist.io.
tags. This is the heading tag, like that way visible contents purpose. So we write this heading tags inside of that body tag. So that is the body element tag. So it is the used for the.
Music licensing reimagined.
So next go for the H1 tag. Already I told you it is defined the large heading tag, and P tag is the paragraph tag. We can define for the paragraph tag, and so already I told you the paragraph tag, and so doc tag, doc type tag already. So it is tells to the browser how to display the web pages and
Artlist.io.
which type of the versions. So so here that is the main view. So what is the already I forget the meta the character set, the UTF-8 version. So the Unicode transform
Artlist.io.
format, the 8, the name of the viewport. Here the meta section can be display of the this browser, the display of the browser width. So device width. This laptop device with this much. So but in mobile, so width
Music
is the
licensing
some
reimagined.
uh, some uh, some type of the width is there. So for the each different model. So how does it defaultly we can find? So that's why. So the meta section view the name is the viewport, and content here defined the width of the every browser depending upon the device. So that is the formula of the width is the device width
Artlist.io.
minus actual device width minus uh, now which is the scale of the initial scale of the width. So that based the content will be appear. Okay, that is the useful for the meta tag. So next
Music
let us go for
licensing
the.
reimagined.
So I will ask the chat GPT what is the useful for meta tag. ambiguity. So here the before whatever I explained, I will tell you the single tag and the
Artlist.io.
heading tags with the finish it, and here there are the two type of empty tags, and already I told you the line break tags and the horizontal line tags. So I will explain on that. So the line breaking tag.
Music licensing
So the line
reimagined.
breaking tag means here. So when I so in okay, when I end up this paragraph H6 tag, I write the break tag. I write the break tag. Okay. So what will happen? Let's check here. So where I put H6 after say H6 means this one. So
Artlist.io.
this one and here paragraph. So how much difference appears means how much space between this H6 and paragraph tag. So this much space increasing. Okay, so that is
Artlist.io.
the breaking. So once again you can enter. So the space will be automatically increased between this paragraph tag to H6 tags. Okay, between that space we increase the. Okay, how many did you how many times you can put here? That break tag you can use that much
Music
space will be appeal
licensing
between this
reimagined.
H6 and paragraph tags. Okay, that is the you that is the empty tag, or we can call the empty tag as none other name is a single tag. Okay, so that is the this line breaking tag. This is the line breaking tag. The use example for this single or empty tags. Okay, next horizontal tag. I will explain the horizontal tag. When I will utilizing after the
Artlist.io.
paragraph of this horizontal HR tag. So what will happen? Let's check in browser. I will so horizontal line drawn. So it can be the utilized to get the horizontal lines, which is the need to in a paragraph. So our
Music
web page we can
licensing
utilize like
reimagined.
this way number of the lines. Okay, if you want more line need between that two tags, so you can add. So you can execute. So after the compiler, so the code execute, show the result like this way. So that is the utilizing of the single tags. Okay. So finally, how many times how many HTML types is there? How
Artlist.io.
many HTML? Sorry, I confused. Bumbling. How many types of the HTML tags is there? Two types. That is the container or page tags, and here second one is the empty or single tags. That is so. These all
Music
tags are
licensing
done. Okay.
reimagined.
So we have so much the color names is there. So after that the HTML attributes I have already told you. So tags already told you, and the empty tags already told you. So different types of the tags is there. Bold tags, and here bold B tag means the bold tag. So inside the bold tag you can write.
Artlist.io.
Okay. So what will happen like a dark tag like a had a H1 tag. So it will appear in. So next here the italic tags
Artlist.io.
and underline tags, strike tags, so subscript tags and superscript tags. So the strong tag and so the big tag, small tag. So those all tags is there. Different type of the all tags is there. So I want to need
Music
the
licensing
so
reimagined.
this H1 tag in center. What can I use? Which type of the attribute can I use? The align. So here the align. Say align the center. When I sorry when I use center. What will
Artlist.io.
happen? Let's check.